Rishu from Just Tutors, and today we are going to learn about getting to know plant. Alright, so let's move forward here. In this session, we are going to learn photosynthesis, roots, and flower. Now, the first one is photosynthesis. So, to understand photosynthesis, what is photosynthesis? Okay, so like we eat food and we get energy to do work. Same way, plant also need energy. Okay, so it is a process used by plants to make their own food with the help of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll. So this here, the chlorophyll is already present in the green plants. Okay, so this is the process by which plants make their own food, and they use sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll to make their own food. Now, light energy, solar energy. Light energy is converted into chemical energy. So, from where do they get light energy? From the sun. The chemical energy stored is used to make food for the plants. Okay. Now, let's move forward here. Now, here we have roots. In plants, the root is the organ of a plant that typically lies below the surface of the soil. So, if you talk about the roots, if this is the soil here, you can see the top part, you can see the branches, the stem, the leaves, yeah, but you cannot see the roots. The roots lie below the surface of the soil. So this is the roots here. Now moving forward, we have different types of roots here. The first one is the tap root. Yeah, okay, so see, in this tap root we just have one root here, and we have like very thin branches here. Yeah, we can say it has branches. Now we have fibrous roots. So as the name suggests, fibrous. So like here we have lots of branches here, yeah. In taproot you just have one. So if I give you an example of a taproot, take an example of a carrot or radish, yeah. Now let's move forward here. Now we'll look into the flower. So flower, you must have seen flower in real life, yeah. You can see lots of flowers like rose and marigold. There are many flowers. Okay, the part of a plant that is mostly brightly colored that usually lasts a short time and from which the seed or fruit develops. Okay, so when you see a plant, the flower is colored. Okay, and flower lasts for a very short time, and from flower we get seed or fruit. Like if we talk about the mango tree, first it is we get flower in that tree, and then we get the fruit. Okay, now let's move forward here. We'll talk about the flower. Okay, so in flower you have, look at this picture here. In flower you have petal, sepal. Okay, now we'll discuss it one by one. What is petals? A petal is a part of a flower. Okay, so it's basically a part of the flower. So flower have a ring of brightly colored petals surrounding the center part of the blossom. So you know, if this is the flower, the outer part, yeah, like the ring, uh, the petal surrounds the center part like a ring. Now let's talk about sepals. Each of the parts of the calyx of a flower enclosing the petals are typically green and leaf-like. Okay, so that is sepal here. Now moving forward, let's come here. So this we are talking about the flower here. Stamens. Now this is the stamen here. So this one is the petal. This is sepal, the green part here. This is sepal. This is petal. Now this stamen here. What is stamens? The male fertilizing organ of flower typically consists of pollen containing anther and filament. Okay, so this is stamen, and is like the male fertilizing organ of a flower. Now pistil. So what is pistil here? Look, the female organ of the flower consists of stigma, style, and ovary. Look, this is the petal here. Like it consists of stigma, style, ovary. So this is pistil, right? Now moving forward, I'm sorry, this is pistil, okay? It consists of stigma, style, and ovary. Now moving forward here, we are on to the practice time. You can pause the video and you can think about the answers. Okay, question one is what is photosynthesis? So as we have discussed, photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. You know, like with help of what they make their own food: carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, water, and sunlight. Question two, what are two different types of root? One is taproot and the second is fibrous root. That's very simple. Okay, now question three is name any three plants and their parts that we eat. Okay, so the plant, so you have to tell which plant do you eat. Okay, so we just cross out this M here, it's extra here, I'm sorry. So what plant do we eat normally? So if you talk about root, we eat radish, we eat carrot. So these are the roots. Now, if you talk about the plant, yeah, what plant do we eat? So you can pause the video and you can think about the plants we eat. Now, moving forward here, we are on to question four. You have to name the parts of flower. Okay. Now, you can pause the video once again and you can take your time to name all the parts here that we have discussed. Okay, you can check your answer here. Okay, now so thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com. Thank you.